Three reasons which makes US a superpower. A superpower country has a dominant position that is characterized by its extensive ability to exert influence on a global scale. In contemporary world, United States of America is the only country which can be declared as a superpower. People often wonder what are the unique qualities that make a country like USA a superpower. I think following are three qualities that make the US a superpower. Number 1. Strong and diversified economy. The United States has one of the world's wealthiest and most diversified economies. It is led by highly productive services and advanced manufacturing sectors. In addition, its highly developed financial system supports entrepreneurship as it has a more developed system of equity finance than European countries. It has angel investors who are willing to finance startups and a very active venture capital market. The US also has a large decentralized banking system with more than 7,000 small banks that provide loans to entrepreneurs. Moreover, United States has numerous world-class research universities whose research drives high-tech entrepreneurship. The professional university culture encourages entrepreneurship. Top research universities attract the best students who lay the foundation of top future companies. Google, Facebook, and Yahoo are the best examples of top companies founded by American university students. Number 2. Mighty American military. The United States of America has the strongest army, having 1.4 million active personnel, 8,848 tanks, 13,892 aircrafts, 10 aircraft carriers, and 72 submarines. It spends approximately $778 billion on its defense budget. According to Al Jazeera TV, US controls about 750 bases in at least 80 countries worldwide, and that makes it an extremely influential country. Number 3. Cultural and political influence. Its political and cultural appeal is so extensive that most international institutions are influenced by American ideas. The spread of its ideas and information across the internet and through mass media has broadened cultural horizons and empowered people around the world to challenge autocratic rulers and advance the cause of human rights and democracy. USA also exerts its political influence through financial institutions such as IMF and World Bank. According to latest statistics, the United States contributes $117 billion to the IMF quota. It is 17.46% of the total contributions to the IMF. In addition, the United States has also contributed $44 billion to funds at the IMF that supplement quota resources. These contributions help the country to influence the operations of this powerful international financial institution as per its political interests. USA is also the largest capital subscriptions contributor of the World Bank, which helps it to exercise greater power and influence. Currently, it has the largest number of votes and is the largest shareholder of the World Bank. Finally, I believe that superpower country has to fulfill some responsibilities. However, we see that US performance as a superpower is not satisfactory as world is suffering from economic instability, hunger, terrorism, and many other serious issues. Therefore, the United States of America should come forward and must use its military, economic, political, and cultural influence to create a peaceful, prosperous, and progressive world.